Cars are covered in ice, homeowners are digging out, and tables are covered in the white stuff. The people of D.C. got a surprise this weekend after a storm dumped almost 5 times the expected amount of snow on the district. Weathermen predicted only 1 inch to fall. The unexpected amount of snow put a damper on some of D.C.'s weekend activities.
D.C.'s pandas were expected to have a going-away party this weekend, but got cut short by the nearly 5.5 inches of snow that hit the district.
The icy conditions made traveling hard for most. Cars were buried under snow. Even bicycles weren't safe from getting stuck. Many residents canceled their plans, but some still braved the storm. Tourists visiting for the weekend had to change their plans to deal with the storm. Utah resident Matt Paxman was in town with his wife on business when the snow hit.
Being from Utah, we had plenty of snow. We didn't walk around the mall as much yesterday. We were inside of the museums instead, so we didn't get to see as many monuments as we wanted to. We were wondering when the roads were going to be clear. It started yesterday morning, and then it was still covering the ground yesterday night when we got home. We thought it was kind of silly.
The snow stopped hours ago, but residential roads are still covered. The sun helped to melt away some of the snow on the main roads, but big piles of slush are still causing problems for residents who have to walk. The people of D.C. are still trying to dig out from what the storm left behind: snow-covered cars and long, sharp icicles hanging from their roofs. D.C. residents just have to make sure that they keep safe until the roads are clear, and especially look before they leave.
Reporting for District Wire News, I'm Caitlin Moore.